Hey guys, I will be showing you how to install the Backcountry Beam ditch lights on a Toyota Tacoma. All the tools you should need should just be a 11 mil and a 12 mil socket. This is what will come in the kit. You'll get 2 Backcountry Beam lights, 2 mounts, the wiring harness, and some mounting bolts. So here's one of the lights. First step is to get them mounted to the brackets. Okay, now we have them mounted up. You just use the 2 screws. Now let's go ahead and get the ditch light mounts mounted. We will be undoing these 2 bolts right here on the hood with a 12 millimeter socket. So just screwed both of these in. You will put the mount at the bottom. Should look just like this. Now we will go ahead and do it on the other side. And now we got the second one installed, so let's go ahead and get the lights on top. You see these 2 screws and these 2 nuts. So let's go ahead and get them mounted. Now you should have the first one mounted all up. Now we're going to go ahead and get the second one mounted up. So now we have the second one mounted up. Now let's go ahead and get our switch wired up. So now we're going to be popping off this whole entire panel. I'm going to be using this, but you can use really any flathead screwdriver. For this, I like to start from the right side, and you can already see it kind of coming out just like that. You should just be able to pull it out. Since we're going to be popping this one out, you can just push the 2 panels and it will pop out. And now with the light switch connector, all you're going to do is just feed it through the firewall. And now we can see the switch just like so. And then you will feed it up through here. Okay, so now you have this and you can go ahead and connect them. Now it is connected. Now you can just put your panel back in like so. Now we have a switch. Okay, so now it's time to get the wiring harness all mounted up. First, we're just going to go ahead and get the long end of the wiring harness and mount it to the light through the connector. It should be black to black and white to red. Okay, so now you can see we have both of them already wired up. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and mount this black wire right to here. Just like that. And now we can go ahead and route the red wire to the battery terminal. And you'll mount it up just like this. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and get the voltage converter all wired up. Okay, so now we have that all mounted up. Now we just need to do some wiring management. So I basically just wired it up to the already existing wire and just wired all of these together so they can hold place right there. Now you have successfully installed these ditch lights for the Toyota Tacoma. As you can see, we can come in, click the button, just like that. Thanks for watching.